You ready? All right, let's go. Come on. You ready? All right, let's go. Hey guys, this is Pat from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Today, working on getting some materials for our woodshed. It is about 40 years since it's had attention. It's got fiberglass corrugated panels on there. The wood is in rough shape. It was a little bit underbuilt to start with. So today I was gonna clamber around here and see if I can get some material. I have a little Doug fir log right there that's about 7 feet, or just a little over 8 feet, and that'll make some good studs. And I do have a parts list for that, so I know I need about 16 8-foot 2x4s, so that'll be a start. I won't get them all, but I have some more wood over here. I'll go ahead and get some logs together, and I'll cut this one up first and see what I get out of it. So I'll just make some skip sheeting out of that stuff, run it through the planer and get it all the same thickness. That's just offshoots from the different projects that I've been working on. So I thought I'd take you along on this little tour. I'm going to fire up the mill, and Cody over here looking on. What are you doing, dog? Huh? What are you doing? So we're going to go ahead and get the sawmill uncovered and see if we can't make a couple of boards. Over here on this pile I have a few 1x6s already cut, so we'll set those out of the way. Now anybody that's got one of these mills knows that you can put a whole bunch of these up and cut them all at once, but I have wane in different areas. This rotten sapwood here, I want to cut that out, so I'm gonna being a little bit persnickety, so I'm just going to do one board at a time. something in that tube? There's something in there that's supposed to be in there? What are you working at? Come! Cody, come! You gonna give me a place to sit? You gotta sit down. I'm around front. I'm around front. There you go. Well, I stopped at the back, so now you want to get out, huh? Cody on patrol. This is day 2. He's looking for rats, birdies, and mice. So we're going to see if we can make something out of this log here. Well guys, that's it for that log. I have another one. I'm going to make some 2x4s out of it. 2x4s, 2x6s. This is enough to do the woodshed roof. So I have to cut some studs and different things for the power room. So I'm going to expand the power room and get ready for a larger set of batteries. That'll be exciting. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.